Hello, this is a video to show you how you can download, install, and do the initial configuration for Versa SASE Client. First, you should receive an email with a subject like this, Versa Secure Access User Activation. Then if you go further down, first thing you need to do is to click Add Password. That will bring you to a link like this. You should create your initial password 2 times and just click Set Password. After that, you download the client from any of the 4 links here. I'm using a Windows machine, so I'll be clicking on the Windows link. And then pick the right bit architecture. I'm using 64-bit, so I download this installer. I've already downloaded the installer in advance. So after installing it, like any other Windows program, you will get a client that looks like this. Then go back to the same email and click register and copy 3 information here. And then click submit. Key in the password that you set when you click on this link. Click submit. You're done with the registration. Click the gateway, and sometimes this is automatically chosen for you. Just click connect. Congratulations! You're done with the initial configuration. You're successfully connected. Thank you for watching.